Okay, guys, here we go. Thursday, March 12th, 2020. And we're going to be watching the end of the day for the stock markets. Right now, we have our eye on, let me make this bigger so you can see it, Microsoft, as we're coming down and pegging this high pivot area. Looks like it's going to be some nice support here. This is on the daily. Now we're going to go to the hourly chart and check. See, we're popping up. Now let's go to the 10-minute, and there we are, working it on the 10-minute. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pop another line right here, and then we're going to see, I'll take the top of that, see if we can hold this level. And if we start trading over 142, then that's when we will take a long position, and that'll also be our stop loss as well. Okay, I'm going to pull that back into here, that recent top for the previous candle, and if we start trading up in that at that level, then we'll see how strong the market is, possibly take a long position there. Okay, so I'm going to put this, looks like we're fading out right now. We're below that long-term trend line. We'll see if they can fight back. Normally they come in the market and start pumping this thing up. That's the reason why we're looking at it like this. So we'll see. I might be a little ahead of the game, meaning, minutes. They might do it the last 15 minutes. We're a little early. They might run it up to this 20 simple moving average up here at 142.30. So we'll see here. Let me, instead of making you suffer through all this, I'll pause this and then come back if there's any price action. If we're moving to the top, I'll come back in here. But if we keep fading to the lower, that's not going to be good anyway. That means we could possibly, start off in the hole again tomorrow in the stock market and sell off here. We have another minute left on this candle now. We'll see if we can get a reversal off of this sell-off candle here, putting in the bottom. Okay, let's see how this goes. All right, let's take, if it comes back into, okay, let's take a position. Okay, and we'll see where we go. Got 30 seconds left in this candle at this time. Just watching. What we'll do, we'll pop another line here, and that'll be our stop loss to get out of town if this thing goes south on us. And then let me put this, let me go to the other direction. Okay, that's where we got in. So we got to get a close above that in order to keep going. This is our stop loss still. The bottom thin blue dash line, in other words. Okay, we're red. Okay, just watching, seeing how this thing is going to grind out. Position was taken at the top thin blue dash line, 141.63 for a long position. Right now we're in the hole and looking for a get out of jail or take the loss and run at the bottom. Matter of fact, I'll make that red because we'd definitely be in the red if we got out there. So just waiting to see what the reason why we're holding this here is that we're going into the end of the day. We're hoping we'll get another pump in the stock market. Number one, number two, this blue dash line is a multi-month. Okay, here we go. Multi-month, support from a double bottom, And then I'm going to move this to click and then coordinate with my phone. I think we might come up to this red dash line. We'll see. And then I'm going to take the position out on that phone app with TD Ameritrade. Okay, just watch. Here we go to the next candle. This one came up and sold off, but we are kind of stair-stepping up. That's good. We're back right at this long-term high pivot area. I really wanted to come up to this 142 area where the red dash line is. If it does, then we'll get out there. Waiting for it to hit. Okay, I don't like, with all these sell-off wicks, don't like that. Might need to pull this stop loss up. But we're just, sitting here watching paint dry until this thing makes another surge. If I had to weigh, this is cupped down here. It's like a fry pan bottom here. If we put that line across here, see, where we are, the top of this candle around how it cups. If we ever get a close above that, we could run even higher than the 20 simple moving average on this 2-minute chart. Okay, we're about break even right now. Still watching. Here we go. Okay, come on. Waiting for it to hit the 20 or 142. Come on, 142. Out. Okay, out at 142, and it's still going. Okay, now if we get a close above this, we should continue to run. Okay, meaning, okay, let me bring this. We're out, so I don't care what it is. But we did close above this area. See that fry pan bottom, how it scoops, and then we close above it, so we should continue up. They're coming in now with pumping the markets, and here we go. I should have kept long, be honest with you, but we'll take what we can get, when we have it. This is looking pretty good. So we're just watching here. Just kind of watch the market. In or out of it, it's kind of fun to watch how this thing plays out. Okay, so we're hitting this high pivot rather, up here. It looks like they're going to carry it up. Okay, what we're going to hit next, we're either going to come back on these high pivots, or we're going to go ahead and run up to this 200. One or the other. We'll run up there. You'll see we have a high pivot across here, and then this top here. So kind of a double top up there in that 144.48 zone is where we are. It's like we're pulling back a little bit. If I were still in it, I would take profit on this thing. If we came back, well, I just missed it. Yeah, I would have been out already, but this high pivot here, if we couldn't hold up there. So let's see if that was the key. Well, it gapped up. See, we were here, and then we gapped up to there. Okay, back down. Okay, we're just watching here. See where we're going to pull back to. Yeah, I'd hate to see that thing lose everything. That's why on these 2-minute charts, each candle is 2 minutes of price out. That's why we, take the money and run when we can on this sort of deal. Okay, well, looks like we're going to be pulling back here. I thought we really had a chance to run up to that next, double top area, and possibly even the 200 purple line up there. But then again, we could be forming. I'm not going to make you suffer here watching all this, but we could be making an inside bar pattern here, for 2-3 minutes, or really 2, 4, 6, maybe 4 to 6 minutes, and then get another bullish engulfing candle to the upside. But okay, as always, thank you so much for being members, and we will see you on the charts.